Let's check out how I made this quick GIF animation here in Photoshop. So I'm going to go with this model as a reference, and I'm going to go and select the new updated object selection tool. And if you hover with the mouse on the model's portrait, you can see it is going to highlight everything separately. So for example, I'm going to select the glasses, and now I can go to the Generative fill and click on Generative fill, and here I'm going to type in red sunglasses made of plastic. Click on Generate, and take a look at that. We got some 6 sunglasses, and here at the right panel you can change up the sunglasses. For example, this one is great. And I'm going to go to the generative layer. I'm going to press Ctrl J to duplicate. And on this layer, I'm going to switch up the color of the sunglasses. So let's go up to the prompt, and I'm going to go to the red. For example, I'm going to change it to yellow. So this one keeps generating with white frame. So I'm going to go and add yellow frame. And I'm going to repeat this step one more time, create a new duplicate of the layer. And I'm going to go to the prompt, change it to green. So after you're done, you can go and repeat this step with other elements as well. For example, I'm going to select the hoodie. I'm going to select this part, press and hold shift, and select the rest of the clothing. And I'm going to go to the generative fill, and I'm going to repeat this step with the 3 colors, a red, yellow, and green. For example, I'm going to type in red hoodie. It looks great. I'm going to select the one that I like, duplicate the generated layer with the hoodie, press Ctrl J, go to the prompts, add another color. Alright, so I did all the combos. I also added colorful lips. So we got like the red, yellow, and green. And as you can see here at the layers, I renamed everything. So the main point is to have a red, yellow, and green from everything. So in my situation, I got the lips, the hoodie, and the sunglasses. And what I'm going to do here is create combinations. So I'm going to uncheck these. And here we got the red sunglasses checked. And we're going to need to combine with another color. For example, the green hoodie and the yellow lips. So this is one combo. I'm going to go to the background image, press Ctrl J to duplicate, and I'm going to press and hold Ctrl and select the active layers, the hoodie, lips, and the sunglasses. After you selected all the layers, you can right click and select merge layers. I'm going to uncheck it and repeat the same step. I'm going to select this one, press Ctrl J to duplicate, and now I'm going to activate the yellow sunglasses, and I'm going to combine with the red hoodie and the green lips. Now I'm going to press and hold Ctrl, select the active layers, right click, merge layers. And I'm going to go and activate the remaining layers with the colors, these 3. I'm going to press and hold Ctrl, select these layers, right click, merge layers. So this way you got 3 combos. From here, let's go to Window and select the timeline. Let's go and click on Create Video Timeline. And here I'm going to go down here to zoom in the timeline. Now let's press and hold shift to select all the layers, and I'm going to go to the 6th frame, and now we're going to go and click on this button to trim the layers. Now here I'm going to go and select the longer ones, press on delete, and let's go to the 2nd layer, push it out, 1st layer, bring it all the way out. So this way we got like 18 frames, and hit play. So this is how it's going to look. By the way, you also can add brushes if you want. Let's bring this to the beginning, and I'm going to go and add a new layer. Select the brush tool, and you can go to the brushes, and in my situation I'm going to go with this brush pack. I'm also going to leave a link in the description so you can download it. And what I did is just doodled it real quick, for example like this. And I just did a couple of doodle variations, so I'm going to go and create a new layer, uncheck the 1st layer with the doodle, let's select the 2nd one, and for example here I'm going to go and add some new doodles. So the main point is if you got like 3 layers with the model, I'm going to make 6 layers with the doodles. Alright, so here we got the 6 layers with the doodles, and I'm going to activate all of them. And I'm going to go and zoom in the timeline even more so I can see the 3rd frame. So I'm going to extend it all the way, and I'm going to go to the 3rd frame here. I'm going to press and hold shift, select all the doodles, and let's trim them. Now let's go and delete the longer ones one by one. And here pretty much I'm going to repeat the same step. I'm just going to push them next to each other. So right now I didn't do the onion skins, but I think this is pretty nice. And pretty much that's it. Thanks for watching.